Hi, it's Phil in Bangkok.com and Phil in Vancouver.com. Today I am Phil at Terminal 21 Mall, Food Court, Pier 21 in Bangkok. Just here with my niece's friend Sarah. My niece is just on her way. Sarah's got a spicy pork noodle soup. And I got the Massaman curry chicken with this lovely rice. And this was 40 baht, I believe, and hers was 35 baht. So that's just, hers is like $1.18. So then mine is $1.33. I got a drink here. It's 50 cents for the pop. But yeah, as you can see, it's filling up now. It's 6:30. Yeah, my niece just arrived back from Bali, and Sarah's going home tomorrow night, and Jasmine and her friend Kayla are going with me to Chiang Mai, and then they're going to head off somewhere. We have a lovely